Hello bears, in this video I will show how to fix Rapido payment failed problem. When try to payment show this problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, click on app list, scroll down, click on Rapido, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Rapido, update app if available on Play Store or App Store. In this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.